Oh, hey, I'm just about ready for you. Let me clean the lens off so you can hear me better. All right. Well, my name is Cowboy Steve, and welcome to our loft. This is my channel, Ramblings of a Fractured Mind. What's my channel about exactly? Well, that's a good question. I like to think of myself as a jack of all trades and a master of none. Thanks to YouTube, I've learned to do a lot of things I otherwise would never have attempted on my own. And it's also saved me some money. So some of my videos will be about various projects around my property and my equipment. I'm also a 15-year veteran of the fire service and a 4-year veteran of the U.S. Navy from the late 80s, which seems like a really long time ago. So I'm pretty sure you're going to hear some stories from my days in the Navy. We have horses. We do some trail riding and participate in a discipline called cowboy mounted shooting. So I'm pretty sure you're going to see a little bit about horses. And finally, as much as I may hate to admit it, basically a Disney fanatic, I guess. My family's been going to Disney World in Florida since 1972 when I was 6 years old. So Disney kind of has a special place in my heart. And you're going to see some videos about Disney when we visit. I'm not real sure how you found your way here, but I'm glad you did. So take a look around, check out some of my videos, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you online.